Technology is solving real problems, feeding communities, moving money, powering villages, and connecting people. From agritech to fintech, blockchain to mobile innovation, Africa is shaping solutions that fuel local progress and global collaboration. At GatherVerse Africa, Tech for Humanity, we celebrate this leadership and introduce a new way to make trust visible online, the meta layer.
I'm David Benjamin, working with the meta layer infrastructure SIG to help build out the civic layer of the internet. Together, let's explore what that means for Africa and the world.
Online trust signals, likes, badges, verification icons are easily gamed and fragmented. Generative AI blurs identity and intent. In fast-moving spaces like mobile payments, agriculture, and climate tech, we need a civic interface that travels with us across the web, making context and consent visible wherever we engage. The meta layer is a community-governed overlay that sits above any web page, not a new platform. An open, transparent layer where we bring applications, communities, and tags that operate across the entire web. Imagine going to a page, choosing to go visible, and seeing everyone in your community who is there right now, and everyone in your community who was there recently enough to leave a trace. Imagine discussions about the content of the page flowing along the side, or polls and list items attached to sections of text, parts of photos, or segments of videos. Everything shifts dynamically depending on which communities you choose to become active in. It's attention triggered, so you're never overwhelmed by random notifications. The meta layer helps communities coordinate safely with rules and consent enforced where people actually interact above the page. Africa leads the world in mobile payments and fintech adoption. Agritech is improving yields and food security. Blockchain applications, renewable energy, and youth innovation hubs are scaling across the continent. The meta layer strengthens all of this by making trust portable so reputation, policy, and presence can follow people and projects across sites and platforms. This isn't theory. Through the meta layer infrastructure SIG, we're co-creating interface-level governance, tooling, overlays, and trust primitives that communities can adopt and adapt. The SIG is already led in part by 3 young African board members, underscoring Africa's central role in shaping this civic layer.
As the facilitator of the meta layer infrastructure SIG, I invite African technologists, founders, policymakers, researchers, and organizers to help shape the next layer of the internet together.
Thank you so much. I hope that you will all consider joining the meta layer infrastructure SIG. We need your input and participation.